Ever wondered how generative AI is transforming industries beyond our imagination? Today, we are looking into Gemini 2.0, a groundbreaking model that sets to redefine fields like healthcare, education, programming, customer care, and many more in ways we never thought possible. From diagnosing diseases to creating charts and analyzing videos, this AI can do it all. So stick around till the end because you absolutely don't want to miss what's coming next. That intro, it was made from OpenAI's SORA, a text-to-video AI model. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Shri, and nowadays I'm exploring how AI is reshaping our world. Today we are testing the boundaries of Gemini 2.0 Flash, an experimental model from Google that's already making waves. We'll touch upon how it impacts various domains, but the highlight is how it could transform healthcare. Let's begin by applying genai to a real world healthcare scenario. I have an image of MRI scan showing possibilities of renal cell carcinoma, a type of cancer. To analyze this, let's write a simple Python program. First, we'll import few libraries which we need, and we'll set the model to Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental model. We'll upload the image, and finally we ask the model to describe it simply, and we'll save the file in markdown format. By the way, I'm using GitHub Copilot to assist with my coding. If you are curious about how to enable Copilot and speed up your development process, check out my tutorial linked on the right top corner. Here's the response in markdown format. With just 3 words in prompt, it could give an output with key findings, reasoning, additional details, and a probable diagnosis. It didn't provide any definite conclusion but suggests RCC at all levels. This is the preview of future of diagnostic medicine. With faster and more accurate results, it ultimately reduces diagnosis time, which is crucial in cases where time can make all the difference in a patient's life. A quick pause. Do you know 80 to 90% of this channel viewers unsubscribed? If you're enjoying this deep dive into AI's potential and how it reshapes our world, hit that subscribe button. Let's explore Gemini's streaming API capabilities. Now you can have conversation with Gemini in real time using audio, video, and screen share. I'm opting the third option for my programming and debugging demo. And let's see how the conversation goes. Hey, hi.
Hi there. Is there anything I can help you with today?
Yep, what do you see in the screen?
I see a code editor window on the screen. It shows a file explorer on the left with a list of files and folders and a larger dark area on the right where you can edit code. Do you want me to give you more detail about any specific part of the window?
Can you explain me this program, what they are doing?
Sure, I can do that. The program you've highlighted is a Python script that appears to be using the Google Generative AI library to describe an image. It imports the necessary libraries, sets up a generative model, loads an image, creates a prompt, and then generates the response which it saves into a file. Would you like a more in-depth breakdown of any of the code lines?
Gemini perfectly describes the code. It's like having a tutor along with you when you're programming. Now I intentionally made an error in this node program. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, I can see the screen now. It shows the server, JS file open in the code editor, which appears to be a basic node, JS Express server. Do you have any questions about it?
Okay, let me run it. Oh, I get an error. Can you fix this?
Yes, I see the error. It says reference error, port is not defined. It appears that you need to define the port variable before you use it in the app. Listen, function. You can add a line like const port equals 3000 before your app. Listen call or use a different value for the port. Would you like help implementing this fix?
Yes.
Okay, I see that you've added the const, port equals 3000, line, and it seems to have fixed the error. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay, let me run it. We'll see whether it is working or no.
Okay, I'll watch to see if it runs. Let me know if you encounter any other issues.
Okay, it works perfectly fine, and if I open localhost 3000, it says hello world. I want to say hello Gemini 2.0. How can I do it?
Okay, I see that your server is running and displaying hello world when you access it in the browser. To change the message to hello Gemini 2.0, you need to modify the response in your server. JS file, specifically the res.send, call in your app.get function. Do you want me to show you how to change it?
Yeah, can you do that?
Okay, to change the message, you'll need to replace hello world with hello Gemini 2.0 inside the res.send method. So your line should read res, hello Gemini 2.0. After making that change, you will need to restart your server for the changes to be visible. Do you want to try that now?
Okay, but why I have to restart my server? Because it is running already.
That's a good question. When you make changes to your server's code, the node.js process that's running the server doesn't automatically know about those changes. Restarting the server tells it to reread the code, including the changes you've made. It's great that I could help you today. Feel free to reach out if you need anything else.
Once again, it delivers flawlessly. Think about the impact Gemini could do in software industry in few years. Generative AI like Gemini is exciting, yet a little intimidating. It is impacting industries in a way we never imagined. So what's next? Drop your thoughts in the comments and hit that like button. And are we on the verge of achieving artificial general intelligence? Watch my previous video to find it out. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video soon.